gonna be a super hot one today, guys. Super hot. Excessive heat warning today here in the LA Basin, guys. I don't know if you guys where you guys are watching my vlogs from, but here in Cali today is the beginning of a heat stroke. We're gonna get heat stroke today. It's gonna be supposedly it's gonna be up to 112 degrees today, so it's very abnormal for, you know, either California, we always have great weather, but today is gonna be excessively hot. So it's about trying to keep our customers cool. Me personally, when it gets hot like this, guys, it gets busy. I know it gets busy. Like yesterday was a Thursday, and yesterday was extremely busy. Fortunately, I had to leave a little early. I had to take moms to a doctor's appointment, so I left around 3 o'clock. But even then, it was extremely busy. So today, I expect it to be even more busier because it's gonna be even hotter today. Today, really, there's a heat wave coming. So then we're short a barber today. So we're only gonna be rolling with 4. So see how it goes. Hopefully, it goes good. And I mean, it's gonna be smooth. I anticipate it. The only thing that sucks sometimes is when it gets really hot like this, and we are packed. It's hard to keep the barbershop cool. So the temperature sometimes will rise in there to 80 degrees, and you know, 80 degrees for a barbershop is super hot. To me, I think it is. So I always try to keep my spot super cool inside. So today I'm gonna keep the blinds down and just try to eliminate as much of the heat as we can, just to keep it nice and cool for our customers. You know, guys, because that's what it's all about, is making it comfortable for them. Making it comfortable for them to come get haircuts. That's how we stay busy. All right, gentlemen. That's about it. That's what I wanted to catch up on yesterday. And, you know, hey, everybody have a blessed day. Grind on. Guys, if you guys ain't up, you guys on your way to work right now. Right now it's 8:15. I'm on my way to my shop. If you guys ain't up right now, guys, you guys are slacking. You guys are slacking. You need to pick it up, because if you guys don't pick it up, then you're gonna fall behind the chair and stay there. And if that's what you want to do, then I mean, I guess it's okay. But if you guys don't want to progress, in order to progress, guys, you guys have to, you know, build yourself up into an elite worker. And that means that's establishing, getting yourself up early and preparing yourself for these days, you know, because these, you know, when you grind like this, it's tough. It's tough. You have to be ready, guys. All right, guys, I'm almost here at the shop, so I'm gonna check in over there with the boys and get started on this day, and see you guys in a while. Temperature, guys. Damn! It's 12:30 right now, and it's that hot here. So as you guys can see, man, it's a scorcher today, guys. Super scorcher here at the shop.
It's 111 degrees outside. We've been slam busy, the four of us working. But you know what? I got my shop nice and cool. 65 degrees, nice and cool inside my shop. So you know what? It makes it comfortable for us working. It makes it comfortable for our customers. We got soccer games on there. We got sports. You can bring in your refreshment. You know, you have to make your shop comfortable, guys. Especially on uncomfortable days like today. You know, like you can't be a little penny pincher and not be turning on your air conditioner. You know, you have to keep your shop nice and frosty. That's how you get customers to come back in. You make your shop comfortable. Comfortability is the most important thing when you go to a barbershop. That's the last thing you want to do is walk into a barbershop and you're not comfortable. You feel uneasy, or you know it's too hot in there, or you know you get a vibe from the barbers, or nobody greets you. You know, it's all part of the process of being a successful barber, and you have to run your shop the right way. You have to keep it nice and frosty in there, guys. It has to be frosty in there, because days like today, it's horrific out here. It's like being inside an oven, you know. So you have to make it comfortable, guys. That's my tip for today for you guys. I'm headed to the shop right now. I'm gonna get this game finished, and I'll try to post up some stuff later. All right, guys. God, walking through this parking lot is like walking through a oven right now, guys. It's like 115 degrees here in LA. Broke records today. The highest record in California and Los Angeles before today was 106, and today was 115 here. So just imagine, it's been crazy hot. I don't even know what's going on. But we're done here at the shop already. Just cleaning up, to do the box and stuff. Helping the boys out. They're finishing up their last cuts. Then we're gonna head out of here and go by the house. I might have to jump into my little pool today. Sounds kind of nice. All right, guys, that's it for today. You can see the shop's already closed down. Right now it's about 7 o'clock almost, so it's super hot out here. I'm not even lying. Right now it's still like 105 outside, so I'm gonna head home. Just kick back a little while. I'm probably gonna jump in the pool with my grandkid and enjoy some swimming. So you guys have a good night. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys mañana. My truck right now. I'm leaving work right now. So it's 7 o'clock right now. Almost 7 o'clock, 6:30. But check this out, guys. Check this temperature out right here, okay? Look at this temperature. 117. 117. I'm not gonna lie, as I sit here in my truck, it's hotter than more than an M of the effort. It's hot. I've never felt it this hot before. I know I broke records today, but this is crazy. This is insanity. So I feel bad for the people that are outside all day. Damn. I couldn't really feel it in the shop all day. I knew it was hot, but geez, it was just crazy. But heading home, see you guys tomorrow.